Happy National Peanut Butter Day to all the entrepreneurs who stick to their dreams like PB to jelly. Let's talk about 4 lessons you can learn from peanut butter. But first, today isn't just about celebrating that creamy or crunchy goodness we all love. It's about drawing inspiration from the humble jar of peanut butter for our entrepreneurial journey. Just think about it. Peanut butter is versatile, adaptable, and has stood the test of time, much like the qualities needed to spread success in your business ventures. Lesson 1. Versatility is key. Just as peanut butter pairs with everything from bread to apples, in business, being versatile and adaptable opens up a world of possibilities. It's about finding unique combinations that set your brand apart. How are you mixing up your strategies to create the perfect entrepreneurial sandwich? Lesson 2. Stick-to-itiveness. Peanut butter's stickiness is legendary. In your entrepreneurial journey, having that same stick-to-it attitude perseverance through thick and thin is what turns goals into achievements. What's the one goal you're sticking to this year, no matter what? Lesson 3. A recipe for success. Every successful peanut butter brand started with a simple recipe and grew into something loved by many. Your business, too, has its own secret sauce, a unique value proposition that makes your brand special. How are you honing your recipe for success? Lesson 4. Nutritious and nourishing. Just like peanut butter is a nutrient powerhouse, feed your entrepreneurial spirit with continuous learning, growth, and nourishment. What's the one skill or knowledge area you're feeding your entrepreneurial spirit with this year? So, here's to all the dreamers and doers who are spreading their innovative ideas and making the world a tastier place, one jar of entrepreneurial peanut butter at a time. Now, I've got a question for you. If your entrepreneurial journey was a peanut butter sandwich, what would be your jelly? That perfect complement that makes your business complete. Drop your delicious combos in the comments, and let's spread some inspiration and maybe some peanut butter around.